Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys a really simple, stupid, and lazy way to get free traffic on complete autopilot using an expired domain. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get free traffic from expired domain names. Really powerful, guys, to get free traffic, right? Now there are like thousands of people doing this strategy and they're like killing it. They're making so much money out of this method, guys, and they're getting traffic on autopilot, right? Just basically leveraging other people's website and sending that traffic into any kind of affiliate offers, which is really powerful, right? Alright guys, now let me show you the example of this. So I have this website that I used like 6 months ago. The name of this website is heroanalysis.com. This is a basically an application. I actually use this, and right now I'm not able to reach this website. Instead, I'm redirecting to another website, which is let me try to see this in action right here. So when I try to visit this website, which is heroanalysis.com, see that right there? It changed into a different application, abadaproperties.com. It redirected me into this website right here. Now this website is now getting that traffic, right? And if I am interested in getting or availing into the service or product that they're offering right here, I could end up buying one of their offers or one of their products inside of this website, which is really powerful to get free traffic. And I'm going to show you that how to do that. But before that, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell icon so you guys will get notified every time I upload a money making strategy to help you guys make money with affiliate marketing. Keep watching. Alright guys, it's really simple, guys. All you have to do is set up a forwarding domain and you get free traffic from expired domains, right? Now what you need to do, guys, is you would go to this website right here, which is expireddomains.net, right? And this is where you get access, guys, to thousands of expired domains right here. And you get access to the supported expired domains LTDs right here, like .com, .net, .org, .biz, .info, you name it, right? What you need to do is click on this expired domains right here, and this is where you get access, guys, to these expired domains that you can get in and get free traffic out of this domain, right? Now you can get any of this domain right here. There's like 3 million domains right here that you can get in. You can click on next page right here, to choose a domain that you wanted to get in. Click on next page right here, right? So you may wanted to select any of this domain, like this one right here, like a Singapore plumber.org. So if you have a plumbing company, then you may wanted to purchase this domain right here, right? So just pick it, pick any of this domain, guys. You might need to do some research, to know how much traffic that you get from these domains right here. And if you're lucky, you get that high volume of traffic going on into this domain, right? So once you pick a domain like this one right here, singaporeplumber.com or .org, you can go to GoDaddy, or I actually use Google domains. You can go to domains.google.com and get this domain. Let's say you want to get this singaporeplumber.org, so you may want to click on get a new domain right here and search on singaporeplumber.org, right? And as you can see, guys, this one is available right now, and you can get this domain. And once you get that domain, you can click on my domains right here, and this is where you access to all of your domains, right? So I'm gonna be using this as an example right here. So once you get that domain, you click on manage right here and look for this add forwarding address right here. It should be similar keyword if you're using GoDaddy, Namecheap, or any other domain registrar. And this is where you set up that forwarding domain. So you'd put your domain that you purchase right here from expireddomains.net, and this is where you put your affiliate link or to whatever website or offer that you want to redirect this domain or that domain that you purchased from expireddomains.net, right? And you would basically put your, let's say you wanted to redirect the traffic from, to this website right here, onto this domain right here, onto your affiliate link. So this is where you would put that, and every time you would click on it, they would visit this www.jercallora.app. They'll then redirect it into this website right here, which that has your affiliate link, or to whatever website you wanted to get traffic from or offer, and that's how you make money. Click on this forwarder here, and that's pretty much it, guys. Really simple and easy. Alright, now the only problem with this though is that you don't really know how much traffic you will be getting from this domain. Now you can go to this website right here, which is similarweb.com, and find out how much traffic that you'll get from this domain. Just like I said, you're lucky if you get the high volume of traffic going on into this domains right here. Now what if there's a better way to do it without purchasing domain? Because with this method, guys, you're gonna need to purchase domains, and you're gonna need to pay for like yearly fees for that domains, right? What if you don't have to do that, right? And that's exactly Wormhole is all about. Now with this tool, you don't have to do that, guys. You don't need to purchase domain. All you're gonna do is send the traffic into your affiliate link or to your existing website if you have an existing website, and you're gonna have to click on this done for you traffic right here. Alright, if you wanted to check out Wormhole, it's basically a program. You'll be able to get access to a free traffic source, coming from expired domains, which has this high volume of traffic that is going on into that domain. Right, let me show you the demo of that. Alright, just like I said, guys, Wormhole is all about getting a free traffic from expired domains, and the best part about this is that you don't need to purchase domains. All you gotta do is go to this done for you traffic right here, and put your affiliate link right here, or to whatever website or URL that you want to redirect the traffic. And the best part about this, you don't have to like search what domains has this high volume of traffic source going on, because inside of this traffic, inside of Wormhole, you get access, guys, to an expired domains that has this high volume of traffic source going on to this domain. You get basically, guys, you basically list your affiliate link or website right here inside of Wormhole, and you get access, guys, to traffic rotator, which means you don't need to like purchase domain. You basically access to a free traffic, and all you have to do is paste your link right here, your URL, your website link, or or any kind of website, and get free traffic, right? And as long as you are promoting biz off offers or money making offers or make money online or affiliate marketing offers, then you get free traffic out of this, and you can make money out of this strategy or out of Wormhole tool or method, right? Which is really, really powerful. If you guys wanted to check out Wormhole, just like I said, there's a link below this video. That is an affiliate link, right? And you get access into this done for you traffic right here. Alright, and they have this video tutorials right here. If you wanted to like do this yourself, then you can also do that, just like the one that I showed you a while ago. You can also do that if you wanted to do that. But just like I said, this is a better way to do it without manually searching what are the domains that getting high volume of traffic source. You basically go to done for you traffic right here and paste your affiliate link right here, and that's pretty much it, guys. All you have to do is wait for clicks, wait for the traffic to come in, and wait for the sales. And it's really, really powerful to make money, guys, promoting affiliate offers, for affiliate marketing offers, biz off, or make money online offers, which is really, really cool. Alright, so yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. If you would get in the Wormhole, then you also get access to this done for you swipes and bonuses right here. And if you wanted to consider upgrading your account, you also have some upgrades right here if you wanted to do that, but it's not really necessary. All you gotta do is you send your traffic right here, send your link, put your link right here, paste your link right here, and you're good to go. And they also have this traffic suite right here that they recommend to get you most out of and surefire your results with Wormhole. They also have this done for you traffic right here, traffic source right here, which is a list of traffic source that you can use, right? So yeah, that's pretty much in this video, guys. If you have any questions about this, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell icon so you guys will get notified every time I upload money making strategy like this to help you guys make money online. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you. Mwah.